In the vast, sun-kissed plains of Australia, a lonely emu named Ember wandered. Ember was different from the others, her feathers a vibrant shade of blue, a gift from the heavens. One day, Ember found a young and lost joey, a small marsupial, crying amidst the golden grass. Ember's heart was filled with compassion. She knew she had to help. Ember approached the joey slowly, her eyes filled with warmth. She bent down, her long neck stretching to reach the tiny creature. The joey looked up at Ember, scared but not hostile. Ember gently picked up the joey, cradling it against her chest. She knew the joey belonged to a family near a nearby waterhole, but the journey was long and dangerous. Ember set off, her long legs carrying her swiftly across the plains. She felt the heat of the sun on her back and the cool breeze in her feathers. The joey clung to her, its tiny heart beating rapidly. Along the way, Ember encountered several dangers. A pack of dingoes lurked nearby, their eyes glowing in the twilight. But Ember stood her ground, her eyes never wavering. She felt a strange courage she had never known before. Finally, Ember reached the waterhole. The joey's family gathered around, their eyes wide with surprise and gratitude. Ember placed the joey gently into its mother's pouch, her mission complete. Ember turned to leave, her heart filled with a sense of fulfillment. She had never felt so alive, so purposeful. She had shown the world that compassion could be a powerful force, stronger than any danger that may come. From that day on, Ember was no longer the lonely emu. She was the emu who saved a life, the emu who showed compassion, the emu who made a difference. And in the vast, sun-kissed plains of Australia, Ember continued her journey, her heart filled with the compass of compassion.